Hey, what's up? I'm Tech Bro here. Now there will be a tablet with a high-quality 2K IPS screen, a metal case, for speakers. And all this for a relatively small price tag. Yes, the channel is again reviewing an affordable tablet from Lenovo for the whole family. Before that, I had a Lenovo Yoga Tab 11. I'll leave the link in the description. Today I am reviewing his relative Lenovo Tab P11 Plus. Let's get started. The easiest way is probably to describe the appearance of the tablet. The Plus model is practically the twin brother of the regular P11. The body is completely the same. Its main part is made of metal. The rest, about a third of the rear panel, is made of nice matte plastic. I suspect that all the antennas of the wireless modules are hiding behind it. Plus, such a double back is a clear style of the company's designers. After all, it is repeated in other tablets of the brand. And even in the design of some laptops. Many reviewers talk about soft touch coverage. I wouldn't say so. At least on the green version, the feeling is completely different. The coating is not very easily soiled. But if the fingerprint remains, then it is hard to wipe off. On the plastic part there is a Lenovo logo, a slightly protruding rear camera and a flash. Well, the highlight of my particular instance is a rather rare blue-green color among tablets. At least some drop of diversity in the ocean of gray and black gadgets. Let's go to the sides. If the tablet is held horizontally in front of you, then the power button will be on the left, the USB Type-C version 2.0 connector on the right. On top of the tablet are volume buttons, 2 microphones and a micro SD card slot. There is also an LTE version of the tablet on the market with a SIM card slot for using mobile internet. Below is a connector for a keyboard case, which we'll talk about later. As you can see, there is no headphone jack. You will have to use either a USB-C adapter or wireless headphones. But on the sides of the tablet, for speakers were installed at once. As for a tablet, and even more so for an affordable tablet, they sound good. Plus, you can tweak the sound a little more in the Dolby Atmos app. This is a kind of dynamic equalizer. The tablet is thin and light. From the front, this is generally just a screen surrounded by a frame of the same width on all sides. The front camera is located in a horizontal position in the center above the screen. In addition to taking photos and videos, it is used to unlock. The response speed, especially in low light, is not the fastest. The tablet is faster to unlock with a graphic key. The screen, by the way, is very good. This is an 11-inch IPS panel with a resolution of 2000 by 1200 pixels. The brightness is 400 nits, which is enough to comfortably use even in good lighting conditions. Strain with readability will only be in direct sunlight. If the saturation of the picture is not enough, you can always change the color profile in the settings. Cats on YouTube and series on Netflix look great. Oleophobic coating, although of medium quality, is available. Let's talk about hardware. The Snapdragon 662 processor in the previous Lenovo Tab P11, which already feels clumsy in 2022, has been replaced with a MediaTek Helio G90T. It's also not the most recent solution, but clearly more productive than its predecessor. In Antutu, the difference is almost 1.5 times. Geekbench is more modest. But in games, the tablet has a second wind. Yes, the graphics settings still have to be set to minimum or medium. But the frame rate has doubled. So P11 Plus can be considered a gaming one with a certain stretch. For example, the original P11 in my favorite Asphalt 9 slowed down at the minimum. And here you can comfortably play it even on standard graphics settings. I also launched Call of Duty Mobile as an example of an online action. Of course, I run like a chicken without a head in such games. But the main thing is that the game is played comfortably even at high graphics settings. So there will be no problems with similar PUBG and Apex Mobile. Moreover, such games have a lot of fine-tuning. And you can always tweak something. For synthetic lovers, here is the main set of results. Pure CPU performance in Geekbench, graphics performance in 3D Mark, and of course the throttling test.
the manufacturer did not save on memory. Available 6GB RAM and 128GB main.
Plus, the ability to expand the memory with micro SD cards. In terms of communications, here is the basic set. Dual-band Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.1. Satellite navigation is present even in the model without LTE. The specifications indicate FM radio, but I did not find any application to it. The battery capacity has not changed. All the same 7,700 mAh as in the original Tab P11.
Despite the different processor, the operating time has not changed much.
For example, about 12 hours of video playback in Full HD or browsing sites via Wi-Fi.
At maximum load in games, the tablet will work from 3 to 8 hours.
It comes with a 20W fast charger. A full charge takes just under 3 hours. The cameras are also unchanged. The basic set of one frontal 8 megapixels and the main 13 megapixels. The quality of the photos is very average even in the daytime with good lighting.
It's best not to shoot at night.
Video recording is supported up to Full HD, 30 frames per second. The quality is again very average.
The main one here is the dedicated document shooting mode.
And here the manufacturer tried and made it clear why the tablet has a rear camera.
You can choose the type of document, from a business card to a presentation board.
And then the algorithms will improve and align the picture for better readability.
Finally, let's move on to the software.
Almost pure Android 11 is installed on the tablet. A set of applications from Google and Netflix are pre-installed.
Stock apps include Camera, Lenovo Assistant, and Voice Recorder.
According to the Lenovo website, this model is waiting for one big update to Android 12. But there are no guarantees.
And now a couple of software features P11 Plus. All of them are familiar from other current Lenovo tablets.
So, I'll go through them briefly. First, it is the business mode. This is an analog of the DeX mode from Samsung. The interface becomes similar to Windows. You get a taskbar and apps open in separate windows. In conjunction with an additional keyboard, it turns out almost like a laptop. And here is the time to mention some accessories. First of all, this is of course the keyboard pack. This is a two-piece cover. One is magnetized to the back panel. It both protects the tablet and can serve as a stand. The second is also attached with magnets to the bottom of the tablet and is combined with the keyboard and trackpad. Keys with tactile travel. The trackpad is full-fledged, clickable like on real laptops. When connected, the P11 Plus will automatically enter business mode. It turns out a small laptop on Android.
Well, as a nice touch, the cover is covered with a fairly strong fabric.
I met this one on the top cover of the Lenovo Yoga Slim 7 laptop.
The tablet also supports Lenovo's proprietary Precision Pen 2 stylus, which can detect pressure and tilt. This can come in handy for note-taking, professional drawing by illustrators, or for kids to show their creativity. The stylus needs to be charged. To do this, he hides a standard USB Type-C connector under the cap.
It also comes with a silicone case for storage.
The reverse side is self-adhesive,
so you can stick to something solid. Both keyboard and stylus are optional, and they are purchased separately.
And a few words about rest. Of course, on the far left screen is the Entertainment Center from Google, a hub for movies, music, and books from the Play Store.
And for the little ones there is Kids Space from Google.
Let's move on to prices and conclusions. The Lenovo Tab P11 Plus currently starts at $217 for the Wi-Fi version and $360 for the complete kit with keyboard and stylus.
In some markets you can find even cheaper. The result will be similar to the usual Lenovo Tab P11. For this money, we get a universal tablet for the whole family. With an excellent screen, thin and at the same time strong case, good speakers and battery life. P11 Plus turned out to be a very versatile tablet that can also be a home entertainment center for watching videos, listening to music, reading books and comics, playing mobile games. and a kind of business laptop, especially in conjunction with an additional keyboard.
And a tablet for creativity when using a stylus.
And a safe gadget for the child. Difference from the previous model in newer and more productive hardware, which improves the comfort of using the tablet in 2022.
Weaknesses are again the same as the original P11.
For example, I would like a fingerprint scanner for quick and easy unlocking.
And for gamers there are more productive solutions.
Well, maybe even increase the screen refresh rate to 90 or 120 Hz. Partially, these disadvantages are solved in the recently announced second-generation P11.
But to try it live we'll have to wait.
That's been it. Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
See you next time.